Well, I figured we'd take a blast to the past with a Gateway E-3200 desktop computer. The faceplate, it's got a removable one here, a CD-ROM, floppy disk. It's got a LAN IP on it. Power, and something a lot of you kids may not know about, but a reset button. You know, real computers have floppy disks and a reset button back in the day. Gateway, it's missing its little logo tag here. This is not the only one of these I have there. I received 8 of these total a few months ago, and just now getting around to dinking around with them. This one has a spare cable in it, but we're not starting with IDE. We're going to start at the front here and look at what we got. We have the classic Pentium 2 slot A, 300 megahertz. It says it right there. It also says 8523 PX300 512, and that's 8523 slot A Pentium X Pentium 3 300 megahertz 512 cache. We have our RAM. This is probably PC 133 or 100. Not sure. Come on. Out you come. Crucial. Yep, PC 133. Go on, focus. PC 133, 128 megabytes. And they all look to be about the same. Couldn't pull them all out. Let's put that over there. Yeah, it's an identical one there. This one's a little bigger. It's probably an older one, 64 or something. No, that's a... Well, this is an odd one. PC 100, 128 megabytes. So this must have been something someone stuck in here, or it originally came with this and they bought those other two. Anyway, we have our SMSC chip there. That would be wait a minute, where's the BIOS? Oh, we got a capacitors there. Oh, there's the BIOS down under all of that, hidden away. The BIOS chip sitting there. It's probably an IDE controller of sorts. Front side bus. Of course, our processor is hiding inside this big slot A. That's actually a card that comes out with that in there. There's no fan on this. Some kind of a daughter board attachment on it there. Can't remember what the AGP connection. It's an AGP. Well, that makes sense. We have an ATI 3D Rage Pro Turbo AGP chip on it. There's an AMC options, video RAM, and by the way, this is a flash RAM back here. Yeah, it's an AGP socket, and you unscrew this, and it took a special type. It went in there, I'm assuming. It's a proprietary thing. Moving around, loose component. The riser card, PCI and ESA slot. 3 PCIs. There's our power supply. It's got an intrusion detection. This is our PCI chip. What else is on this thing? CD-ROM. It's got a spare IDE cable. Plugs into something. It's on the riser card on the back side. Let's see if we can get to the back of this machine. See what's back there. I think they're missing there too. On the back, there's a hard drive that's housed right here. Pull that pin, and it's Western Digital 13200 3249.3 megabytes. Huh. Massive amounts of space on this drive, right? Alright, back on it goes. Now you get to the back of the thing. It's got all your typical stuff that, man, I'm trying to, my office chair won't move. Alright, it's got all your typical connections, your parallel for the printer. This sticker's coming off for some reason or another. Your VGA, COM port A and B. It's B. You have a keyboard and mouse. These change color by vendor, by company. Pentium 2, it's got USB. It's got integrated sound, integrated LAN. There's your power supply. 115 and probably 230 on the other one for the UK people. Kind of weird to assume 115. My house voltage is exactly 120. That's where that AGP would go come out if you wanted super video. Looking towards the front, there's the case fan in the front. You can see the BIOS battery still in there, and the chip. That battery is still good. Your floppy disk and front panel control header, all that is under there. There's also some other jumpers down in there. Configuration setting to reset the CMOS right here. Dust, and there's a table right there. There's also another table on this, something with the audio, probably some type of input or something, but I don't see the jumpers for it. But you see the config select, and there's a table here that shows you, normal config and recovery modes. And then you have motherboard PCI audio, motherboard LAN, riser, PCS bus masters, a table there. Not sure what. So that would turn on and off the onboard devices, the LAN, audio, and the riser card, and an option here. But yeah, it's got 105 on it there too. Not sure what else to say about this. This computer does work. Like I said, I don't have this stuff right now to plug it all in and show you it. Just trust me, it works. It's got Windows ME on it. Not my favorite one, but it does natively support USB that way. Yeah. They said these were Windows 2000 compatible, but, who knows. With this stuff, you can hardly ever tell, right? But a little trip down memory lane. If anyone has ever used one of these, you might know roughly about it. I got about 8 of these so far, so I will be in the next few days going through each and every one of them and scrapping the ones that absolutely don't work and repairing the ones that do, and I'll figure out something to do with them. Even if it's just, I don't know, small low-end web servers maybe. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys later.